RBI to hike risk weight by 25% to tighten personal loan.
Certain components of personal loans are, however, recording very high growth.
The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has recently announced increased risk weights for lenders and non-banker financial companies (NBFCs). Under the new guidelines, the capital banks must reserve for every loan has been increased by 25 percentage points, raising it to 125% for retail loans. This move has been made to enhance the safety of banking sector and reduce the overall risk associated with the lending. The RBI has stated that the new guidelines will be implemented in phases, giving banks and NBFCs time to adjust to the new requirements. The central bank has also indicated that it will continue to monitor the situation and change the guidelines if necessary. Overall, the increased risk weights are a positive step towards strengthening the financial system in India and ensuring that it remains resilient to any future challenges. The tightening of underwriting norms through higher risk-weighted assets is credit positive because lenders will need to allocate higher capitals for such loans, improving their loss-absorbing buffers and may dampen their growth appetite.
Certain components of personal loans are, however, recording very high growth. These are being closely monitored by the Reserve Bank for any signs of incipient stress. Banks and NBFCs would be well advised to strengthen their internal surveillance mechanisms, address the buildup of risks, if any, and institute suitable safeguards in their own interest,
said Moody's Investors Services. According to the November 2023 bulletin by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI), credit card usage in India witnessed a notable growth trend during October. The increased use of credit cards was fueled by various incentives offered by the banks, including cashback, reward points, contactless cards, and UPI-linked credit cards. The RBI report highlights the growing popularity of credit card usage among Indians and the increasing preferences for cashless payment modes. The amount of unsecured personal loans increased by 23% year-on-year by September 22, 2023. This indicates a noticeable rise in the number of individuals seeking personal loans without providing any collateral. Additionally, the outstanding amounts on credit cards rose by almost 30%, indicating an increased usage of credit cards and debt. In particular, limits shall be prescribed for all unsecured consumer credit exposures. Central Bank of India. The new regulation is expected to have a significant impact on India's banking and financial sectors. By raising the risk weights, the RBI aims to ensure that banks and NBFCs have adequate capital to absorb unexpected losses. This will not only enhance the overall stability of the financial system, but also reduce the impact of any economic downturns or shocks. The RBI is asking banks and non-banking financial companies (NBFCs) to set aside higher buffers and establish board-approved policies to monitor exposure limits to this segment. This move by the RBI is in response to concerns expressed by the governor about the high growth rate of consumer loans and is aimed at encouraging lenders to be more cautious when offering these types of loans. Kindly share your feedback on the content in the comment section. To receive more such updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe your Air News channel. Thank you.